Weather report time here on Sierra Wave. Let's go to the weather maps. Sierra Wave media prognosticator Dennis Mattinson says the elongated upper low will begin to eject to the east through tomorrow, but backwash moisture and surface heating will still bring a slight chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms through Thursday. Lingering moisture continues Friday as a ridge of high pressure gradually builds in through Sunday. Mattinson says temperatures will warm from near normal Friday to 10 degrees above normal by Sunday and Monday. Low tonight into tomorrow morning for Mammoth, 32 degrees, and could see some more snow overnight. Bishop and the Owens Valley, 39 degrees. Mammoth, June, Mono County on Thursday, putting in a 40% chance of some rain, possible thunderstorm activity. Windy, northeast winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, 57 just the high in Mammoth, low of about 34 degrees. For Friday, partly cloudy skies, northeast winds still in that forecast, 15 to 20 miles an hour, 64 the high in Mammoth, low of about 37 degrees, and warming up right nicely on Saturday for Mono County. Sunny skies, some south winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, 70 the high in Mammoth, low of about 41 degrees. Bishop and the Owens Valley on Thursday, about a 30% chance of some rain and thunderstorm activity. Just some light wind, however, 79 the high in Bishop, low of about 41 degrees. Friday for the Valley, 20% chance of rain, still a possible thunderstorm popping maybe. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, 82 the high in Bishop, low of about 45 degrees. And Saturday right now, hey, that's a gorgeous spring day with sunny skies, light winds, 86 the high in Bishop, low of about 45 degrees. So, yeah, we've had some spring weather since spring began. We're going to jump over to some sports, and I want to take a look here at some file footage. Bishop Union High School golfers. Boy, the Broncos had a fine season once again, winning the High Desert League golf title under Coach Shirley Ono. Looking at some action here at Bishop Country Club from a couple of weeks ago. Now, on Monday, the Bronco golf team traveled to Southern California, and boy, did they have a great showing at the CIF Southern Section Ford Boys Team Championship presented by Farmers. Broncos playing at Yarupa Hills Country Club, Eastern Regional. And again, we're looking at some file footage here of the Broncos, but we did want to point out that Bishop finishing in 7th place out of 20 teams, and the Broncos, note Coach Ono, were the 3rd smallest team there by enrollment. The top 3 teams advanced on, and they all had from 2,000 to 3,600. Bishop's at about 650. So a great showing by the Bishop Broncos. 7th place out of 20 at the Yarupa Hills Eastern Regional. Again, looking at some file footage here, but want to show you Brendan Shibley and a whole bunch of other kids. Shibley leading the way for the Bishop Broncos with a 76. Hey, Joey Medora, 77. Sean Minton at an 80. Levi Kujawa, 82. Brian Jones with an 87. And Matt Ono with a 92. Now, 6 golfers go out. You take your low 5 scores. That's how you get a team golf score. And again, a great showing. 7th out of 20 teams with no enrollment divisions like they do in many other sports for the Bishop Broncos. Coach Shirley Ono said very proud of her team. The CIF Southern Section individuals are coming up Monday. Victoria Country Club in Riverside. The top 4 from the High Desert League advancing. And we've been looking at some of these kids, but let's take a look now. Hey, Brendan Shibley right here. Full disclosure, I've known him since he was knee-high, and boy, I just watched him blossom into a nice young man and a fine young golfer. Brendan Shibley, the High Desert League champion individual. He had the low scores throughout all of the meets of the High Desert League, and Brendan Shibley, the High Desert League individual champion, leading the way in that team tournament on Monday. And Brendan will be leading the Broncos into the individuals. Hey, also making it into the individuals, Joey Medora. Yeah, Joey Medora is also a fine young golfer. Played golf with him a couple times, and boy, he just seems like a good young man. He's got a nice swing. Looks good out there. Nice job there, Joey Medora, one of the High Desert League individual qualifiers, along with Sean Minton. Take a look here at Sean. He's got the nice swing, and he's out there. He's always doing a good job on the golf course. Nice young man. Like to talk with him when we're out there. And Sean Minton, also from the High Desert League individuals. And also Levi Kujawa. Boy, I remember playing with him a few months ago. He powers the ball. And Levi Kujawa right there for the Bishop Broncos into the CIF Southern Section Individual Tournament. And again, that's coming up this Monday at Victoria Country Club in Riverside. And again, great job there by Levi, Coach Shirley Ono, and all of the Bishop Broncos. Nice showing at the team tournament, and coming up with the individuals Monday, Victoria Country Club in Riverside. Good luck there, guys. That's going to wrap up news and information for us here on Sierra Wave TV 33 in Mammoth, 3 in Bishop. As you know, we're part of Sierra Wave Media, 92.5 FM, 96. 96.5 FM. You can hear our radio station streaming on our website, sierrawave.net. Have a great evening, everybody. Good night.